This is how quick you can transfer a half a gigabyte, 500 megabyte file, and transferring it from one thing to the other using, and that's it. Once you set it up right, it works fantastic. Right, I'm going to load a game straight off the FIDECO from one of my hard drives. It's a standard 4 terabyte hard drive. I'm going to load in Apex Legends. It's a good, you can see how quickly it's loading, 100% done. Initializing, which probably takes longer than the actual loading itself, simply because it's loading shaders. But we'll stay with it now. We're on 20 seconds, 24, 25. And again, this is loading from the hard drive that is connected to the FIDECO hard drive docking station. And that's it, more or less. I'll click through this. I think you're forced to watch this anyway. See how quickly we can get into the lobby. Continue. There. So there we are. So let me just sort of focus on my camera so I can get it to focus. So there we are. It loaded in. That's Apex loaded in from the hard drive. Didn't really take any longer than any normal hard drive. Great little device. Has added allowed me to add 2 extra hard drives into my PC, just to show that it is on and working. There it is, flashing away. There's the 2 hard drives. Probably a bit hard to see in here at the minute. We just turn my flashlight on. I've got it hiding behind the PC out the way. It's very quiet. The only noise you're going to hear are the fans on the PC. But it's quite hard to see, but it is working away there.